In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add other Gmail and Hotmail accounts with Outlook. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. To get started, you'll need to launch Outlook on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the program through your applications, or by using a shortcut if you have one set up. Once Outlook is open, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you have Outlook up and running, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option in the top menu labeled as File or Account. Once you've opened the Account Settings menu, you should see an option that says Add Account. This is where you'll begin the process of linking your Gmail or Hotmail account to Outlook. Go ahead and click on Add Account. A new window will appear prompting you to enter the email address you want to add. Enter your Gmail or Hotmail address in the provided field and click Continue. This step ensures that Outlook knows which email provider to integrate with your existing setup. After entering your email, you'll receive a prompt requesting you to sign into your Gmail or Hotmail account. This step is crucial because it confirms that you own the email address and wish to integrate it with Outlook. Proceed to enter your credentials. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication or an app-specific password enabled on your Gmail, you might need to enter that here as well. This additional security measure ensures that your account remains protected. Once you've signed in successfully, Outlook will ask for permission to access your Gmail or Hotmail account. You'll need to click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. This will let Outlook import your emails, contacts, and any calendars you might want to sync, making it an essential part of this process. After granting access, it's a good practice to restart Outlook. This ensures all changes are applied correctly and that the email sync has begun properly. Simply close Outlook and reopen it, allowing the system to refresh and load the new account settings. With everything set up, you can now access your Gmail and Hotmail emails within Outlook. You'll see them alongside any other accounts you have, neatly organized and ready for you to manage. Having everything in one place not only saves time but keeps your workflow efficient and streamlined, and there you have it. You've successfully added your Gmail and Hotmail accounts to Outlook. This integration enables better management of your emails across different platforms, all within one application. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the seamless experience of managing your emails with Outlook.